How to create a furniture website using Wix. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own furniture website, store, or just basic website using Wix. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to register on Wix via your email address, or you can just use your Gmail account, and you just have to sign up and create your account. And once you have done that, you're just going to click on Create New Site over here. And once you do that, you're going to begin your Wix journey. So first off, you're going to use the Wix website editor, and we're going to continue with the basic Wix editor. The editor X is reserved more for professionals. So if you're just someone that is starting out, I do not recommend it. But if you're someone with a lot of, experience creating stores or websites, then the editor X might be a good option. Then you're going to add what kind of website are you creating. So we're going to click on online store, and then we're just going to click on next over here because I want to create a furniture store in which I will be able to sell furniture. So after that, you're going to be asked what kind of features you want to add. So we have the basic online store. I think that I'm just going to continue with the basic online store, and I'm going to click on next. And once you click on next, Wix is going to ask you if you want to use the template editor, the basic Wix website editor, where you can edit a template or even start from scratch or answer a couple of questions to use the Wix ADI to create your website for you. So this is the easier method, the ADI method, because this will enable you to, just answer a few questions and your website will be generated and you can just pick out and customize the things you want to change. But this gives you a lot more control and customization. So we're going to click on edit a template over here, and we're going to begin our journey to create our website. Now, you can see there are several different templates available for online stores that you can pick out from. You can even search in the template section for furniture over here. And now you can see there are different home goods store templates available as well. There are interior design templates, home goods store, and you can pick out any one of those as well to get started with your furniture store, or you can click on blank templates over here, and this will give you a few layouts for you to get started with, but I'm going to show you guys how to get started with a template. So we're just going to search for home goods store, and we're going to pick out one of these templates over here. So there are quite a few different options available, and I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm just going to click on edit, and this will open up the template in a new tab where the Wix website editor will load. It takes a couple of seconds for a template to load because it is such a heavy program, the Wix website editor. So we're just going to wait for a couple of seconds for this to load up on our screen, and then we will begin editing the template to create our own customized Wix store. Now you can see over here our template has been loaded, and on my left I have my navigation panel where I have all of my editing tools. On my top left I have the pages that are added to my website, and this is the preview that I have. I have the desktop preview, and then you can also turn it to the mobile preview as well on how your website is going to appear for mobile devices. And to get started, it's going to be a simple journey. The first thing I like to do is I like to click on this second icon over here, which is the menus and pages icon, and then I like to delete any of the excess pages. So we have the members pages, and I like to click on settings, and I like to delete the members area. I want to make this as simple as possible just so you guys can better follow along. And I have the store pages, so I'm going to click on manage store like this, and maybe I want to delete the thank you page. Or yeah, I think this is good enough. So you can see on my site menu, I have a home page, I have a decor page, kitchen page, bedroom page, and about and contact. So instead of the kitchen page, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to click on add page, and I'm going to add a blank page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this blank page into tables or dining sets. And I'm just going to click on done. You can add as many pages as you want, or you can just go into a simple way of just adding a singular shop page. So for that, let's say if I go into the decor section, I have, different decor options in this page, but what you can also do is instead of having separate pages for your different categories, you can add one shop now button and remove the entire navigation panel. So for that, you can just go into the site menu, delete all of your excess pages like so, even the decor one. So this will delete the Wix store section, and then you can just go into your pages section, click on add page, and then you can click on blank page. Or a simple way to add a direct store is that you can click on add, whenever you click on add page, go into store and click on add Wix stores, and then the Wix stores are now being added. So once the Wix store is added by default, it adds a shop button like so, and then you can just add your product in the shop button. So once you add Wix stores, you can see in your menus and pages section, you have your shop page, and then you can just add all of your product in your shop page, and you can begin adding any kind of product. So what you can do to manage your inventory is just click on your product page, and then from here you can start adding different products. So you can see you have like a reference product over here, and then you can just click on manage products over here, and this will open up the Wix dashboard, the Wix website management dashboard, where you can actually set up your product. And I don't recommend using this over the website editor. Just go into the design section, set up your homepage, do all of that stuff, and make sure the aesthetic is working for you. And once you have designed the aesthetics, you can add the product from the Wix website manager. I'll show you guys how. But to customize our web store, so we're going to first off add the brand name. So I'm going to add Jane's Furniture. And it's a very simple, intuitive click and drag and drop kind of system. Just click on any of the sections you want to change. And then I'm just going to edit this text to comfort at the best price, like this. And I'm just going to set this up over here like so. And then you can scroll down, and then you can click on this adjust page height to move any of the sections up. You can delete any of the sections just by clicking on them and just clicking on delete. And then you can go into your page height and then adjust it like so, like this. And then you can move anything, like if you want to add more images, you can just click on add over here, click on the image section, and then upload your own images, or you can even use free Wix images. And once you have designed your website, you're going to click on publish. And now I'm going to show you how you're actually going to add your product. So you can see on view site over here, this is what the website is currently looking like. And if I go onto the shop page, I just have some of the default products that are added. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto my Wix My Sites dashboard. So I'm just going to go into My Sites on Wix. And you can see this is the website over here. I'm going to click on select site, and this will lead me to the Wix website management board. And what I'm going to do is you can see on the left, you have your navigation panel, and you're just going to click on store products. And then you're just going to go into the product section, and you can add your products from over here without having to open up the Wix website editor. So first off, I'm just going to click on select all, and I am going to delete all of these default products. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new product. I'm going to add physical products. And then you can click on add images to add images of your product like so. So I'm just going to click on media from Wix, and I'm going to search for a chair, and I'm just going to use a simple chair image. I'm just going to add this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the name of the product. So I'm going to add soft couch. So I'm just going to add soft couch. Then you can add specific ribbons, which is like a subtext of the title. And then you're going to add your description for your item. And then you're just going to add the price. So let's say I'm going to add 55 as the price. And then you can see your cost of goods and profit margins as well if you want to add that. This will enable you to better calculate your revenues and your profits that you're generating. If you want to do that, you can. And then you're just going to see on your right side, you have the collections that you can add. You can also click on create collection to create separate collections of products. Like you can have bedroom products, decor, kitchen, and then you can also add like basic furniture, chairs, tables, office products, anything like that. You can create any kind of categorizations of your products. And then you can also create coupon codes and edit the site SEO and promote this product on different adverts. And we're just going to click on save over here. And you can see our couch is now in stock. And if I refresh my Wix website over here, you can see our couch has been added. So that is how simple and easy it is to set up a furniture store using Wix. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to create your own e-commerce store using Wix and manage it easily like I showed you guys in this video, just by using a template. You can also start from scratch or use the ADI as well. And if you have like any questions regarding how to set up your store, then leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any other questions regarding creating your website, creating your e-commerce store, or using Wix in general, leave them in the comment box as well. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.